and welcome back to It's Erin. I'm back in the kitchen. And welcome back to It's Erin. Today is the first day of fall and summer's over and it's finally that time of year to eat comfort food. It's raining outside, the days are shorter, it's getting dark. All anybody wants to do is sit on the couch and just eat comfort food. So today, my first video back in the kitchen, I thought I would make creamy macaroni and cheese in the Instant Pot. So, welcome back to It's Erin. Don't forget, always be your biggest fan, okay? So here it goes. Thank you for all those people that wrote in and encouraged me to get back in the kitchen and start cooking. So here I am. So today we're making creamy macaroni and cheese. It's very easy. I've never made it before. I'll just go quickly over the ingredients and then I'll show you how to do it, and it's so easy. So what we're gonna start with is 8 cups of water in our Instant Pot. So we're gonna put that in there. Okay, after that we're gonna put in 2, 4, I think this is 4 cups of macaroni. I'll edit that in the video if it was 4. After that, we're gonna add some smoked paprika. This is 1 tablespoon, so we're gonna add that in there. Okay. After that, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Okay. Put that in there. After that, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Oopsie. I should go like this. Okay, like this, a little bit of pepper. We are going to add some salt. A little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. There we go. We are going to add some butter. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to turn the Instant Pot on to manual. So we're gonna turn it on here to We're going to turn it on to manual, and we only need 4 minutes to cook this macaroni. Okay, so once the pot has pressurized, it will start the countdown for the 4 minutes. Okay, and I want to let you know I've been cooking in this pot for so long. I finally just replaced my silicone rings along here. If you're finding that your Instant Pot isn't pressurizing, sometimes from previous videos I did tell you it might be this. And I lifted it up with a little chopstick, but I do find that if it's not pressurizing, it could be you need to replace your silicone ring. So that's what I did, and you can get those on Amazon for really cheap, a 2-pack for $10. So I am going to close the lid, and I'm always doing this backwards so I can never get it, but I can never get it. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way, okay? There we go. If you've been watching my videos from day 1, you'll always know that the lid is the hardest part for me to put on, and once it makes a noise like you've won at the casino, then you know the lid is finally closed. So we're just gonna wait for that to pressurize. Then when it pressurizes, we'll be back in 4 minutes. And the last thing to do is, here are all my cheeses. The cheeses that we're adding today are, this was Gouda. We're gonna add 1 cup of Gouda, 1 cup of grated Parmesan, the fresh stuff, not the powder. And we're going to add 3 cups of cheddar and 2 cans of evaporated milk. Okay, so once that's pressurized, we're gonna add all the creamy stuff, and then that's it. It's so simple. So I'll see you in 4 minutes. Quick 4 minutes, and now I'm gonna vent it. So we'll just let this vent, and then we'll open it, and we'll add all the cheese. I let it vent, and I took off the lid. And now I've got this beautiful macaroni here that's al dente, and now I'm gonna add all of my cheese to the macaroni. So first I'm gonna start with the grated Parmesan. So that's 1 cup of that, and then I'm just gonna like stir it in. There's a lot of cheese, so depending on how cheesy you like your macaroni, you might wanna, once you try this recipe, you might wanna not add so much cheese, or you might wanna add more cheese. It's just up to you how you like your macaroni. So after that, we're gonna add the 3 cups of cheddar cheese. And another thing, I guess you could experiment with this recipe by adding other different kinds of cheese that you like. You don't have to add these exact cheeses of what I'm using here today. So because the macaroni is quite hot, because it's just been pressurized, the cheese is melting quite fast. So it's really good. Look at that. Looks delicious, just delicious. Okay, after that I'm gonna add the Gouda. So that's 1 cup of Gouda. And if you love cheese, I just love cheese, then I mean you can add lots of cheese if this isn't enough for you. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to add the 2 cans of the condensed milk. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop that in there. Wow, it is really cheesy. Look at this. And then I guess if you want to experiment with this, if you have kids or something, if you want to add vegetables in it, hide some broccoli in there for them or something like that, or if you like wieners or sausages or something, or bacon or ham, I'm sure you could totally add this to the macaroni as well. So I'm just going to stir this and let this melt for a minute, and then I'll plate it and I'll try it and I'll tell you how good it is, and I'll show you what the finished plate of macaroni looks like. Okay, I just added a little bit of paprika on the top to just make it look all fancy, and now I'm gonna try it. It's delicious, really delicious. It's really cheesy and good. And once again, with a nice glass of wine on a nice winter's night, this is the perfect comfort food. So I hope you try this for all of you Instant Pot users out there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to be in the kitchen and entertain you again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.